Time to rock and roll. Enough talk, more doey. And what we are going to do is first set up our shop. I already have my site here, my WordPress site, vanilla installation. I've cleaned it up. I set my permalinks, all of that. And if you would like to know what I did, you go watch Module 1 and Module 2. I show step by step what I do. It's just my own personal style that I inject into the site, or rather remove from the site. So everything is nice and clean here. Normally, I would start with a theme, and there's a reason I'll start with a theme, even though we are using Breakdance, which overrides the theme. But I think in this case, I'm not even going to touch that. I'm going to keep the theme. And just to show you the theme that we have here, go to Appearance, Themes, and we have 2025 installed. The one thing you always have to remember about these new FSE themes is that they do not include a menu option under Appearance. So that makes it quite convoluted, tricky to go and create a WordPress menu if you want to use it in Breakdance. But that's why in Module 1 and Module 2, I show you how to do that. We're going to leave this one here so that you can see how it will work without touching the theme. But what I want to do is install WooCommerce. That's the first thing we have to do. Go to Plugins, and we select Add Plugin, and we look for the almighty WooCommerce. And I think there's 7 million plus installations. Can you imagine that? Just on this platform alone, 7 million active installations. Okay, let's go ahead. Install now. And we activate. WooCommerce is one of those plugins that today you use it, you install it, you get to know it, and tomorrow when you install it again, it's completely different. It changes regularly to keep up to date with everything that's going on. If you watch this video 2 or 3 months in the future from now, things will maybe look different, but don't worry. At the very, very basic, everything remains the same. This is not a tutorial on how to set up the shop, how to bring in your products. You can watch other videos on this. This is a tutorial how to build out your whole shop with Breakdance. And because of that, I'm going to select here, skip guided setup. And we can go ahead and do these. I actually want to skip all of that, but I'll go ahead and just say South Africa. Oh, they have different provinces. Okay. See, it just keeps on improving, and it gives us some fun facts, fun woo fact. And then opening the doors, our shop is ready. There are actually so many things that you need to set up here. It takes you to the screen and it says you have to start adding your products, set up payments, customize your store, collect sales, and launch your store. It gives you this list of things that you need to do. What we'll do is we'll bring in products, but I'm going to import that. We're not going to bring them in one by one and build them out. I already have a list, and I'll put that list, the link for you to download that file in the description that you can also play along if you want to. A few things just to note. You have this here, you have the notifications to tell you there's so much you still have to do. And at the top, you will see in the WordPress admin toolbar, it says coming soon. That means your shop is not live. You can leave it for now. We don't need that. But we're going to add the products. Add products. And it gives us, what do I want to add? Physical product, variable product, or grouped product. Not important. We go to, are you already selling somewhere else? No, but I copied someone else's file. So you go ahead and import your products from a CSV file. Select. Choose. I'll navigate to my file, and this is my WooCommerce, and over here, I'll upload it. And from here on, you go ahead and you just click yes, yes, yes. You don't worry about any of this. It's just asking you, if you have this, what do you want to name it, and so forth. We just want to import this file as is. And it's 9 products, so you can blink your eyes. You don't even have time for a sip of coffee. Your products are there, and it asks you to view products. Where do we find these products? If you go to the sidebar on the left, under WooCommerce products, and you select all products, and you get them all here. You can go have a look at what's going on with any of these products. This is our snapback cap. And the snapback cap has an image there. Let me just close this bar. I think it's making things jittery. We have our featured image, and this is very basic shop that we have here. We don't have multiple images. We don't have too much data. We don't have inventory. We just have those very basic, like our excerpt, our product description, an image, and that's it. We have a few related categories set up as well, but we're not even using tags. Just have a look at the all products. What I think is important at this moment is to have a look at how this views on the front end. There is no Breakdance yet. There is no other theme except the 2025. Click on View. We go to the front, and this is how it will look. We just have that gut feeling that, this is not what we want. It actually doesn't look terrible, right? It doesn't want us to go on a murderous rampage, but it also makes us feel that there is so much more we can do. Now, having shown you this, now we go and add Breakdance so that you can also see that the moment you install Breakdance, it overrides the theme, and this will look different. Go back into WordPress, we go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and as Breakdance is a plugin that you have to manually install, it's not in the WordPress repository, we go to Choose File, and find my Breakdance over here, and install now. You can practice along for free, totally. You don't need a pro license for Breakdance. If you want to know how to use the free version, go ahead and watch Module 1, where you work only with the free version. I show you how to sign up, where to get it, and how to add the license. With the installation done, we go ahead, activate the plugin, and then the only thing we need to do is add our license key over here. Note at the top it says theme, disable theme, or keep the theme. We'll stick with the disable function and then license key. I'll add my license key and then I'll select finish setup. I'm not going to show you my key. And with that, we are ready to go. Let's go again to products. And that one we have here is the snapback cap. And now I'll click again on the view. Control click or command click will open a new tab in the browser. And look at the difference as to what is going on here. You can say that Breakdance has a hidden theme. Somewhere out there, Breakdance has in its code, in the matrix, a theme is running. And if you do nothing, you don't even change anything within Breakdance, this is how it's going to look. And I have to say, just from that to that, things look cleaner. They look more organized. And it looks more like a website that we are used to. This year, the fonts are just too big. It kind of feels like a novice had its hand at this page. The purpose here is for you to see that Breakdance truly overrides the theme and has that under the surface theme that it applies. Now that we have all of this ready, we go ahead and start with our product page, our single product.